My flipped lesson. The standard that I will be using in this lesson is probability, which is basically two equations. The probability of outcomes, which is defined as the number of possible favorable outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes, and the experimental probability of an event, which is defined as the number of times desired outcome occurs and the number of trials in the experiment. First, I'll assign my students a video from either Khan Academy or something that I made.
Let me write likely, equally likely possibilities.
And I'll send them home with a 4-question worksheet that I'll check in class the next day. When the students arrive the next day, I'll assign groups to stations that'll rotate every few minutes. In these stations, I'll have a coin flipping station, a marble grab bag, and a magic 8-ball. Finally, the last lab will be a creativity lab where the students will have the opportunity to create their own probability experiment, maybe rock, paper, scissors, or counting colored shirts. They'll be given the choice to figure this out on their own. Each station will ask questions that will inspire the students to think beyond the experiment. For example, I may ask, what if there are more blue marbles added to the bag? Would that decrease or increase the probability? Or what biases may be included with your findings, and how could you eliminate these biases? Then when the students have finished all the stations, I'll have them answer in a group presentation their findings to the class and go through a series of questions and answers.